I installed all the TVs, but I only hooked one up for now. Thought I'd make a video and show you guys that. It's only one in right now. It's only one hooked up actually, but I'm gonna go buy some wire tomorrow and wire up the rest of the TVs. Just a quick update. Let you guys know that I'm still doing my thing. What's up to everybody out there? You all know who you are. Checking out everybody's videos. And yeah, that's my update for now. So you guys stay tuned for some more stuff I got going on with this van. About to put in that new alternator that I bought a few months ago. And wire up the front door speakers and all that good stuff. So peace out. Catch you guys in the next video.